I came on to help Riverfest in 2012, and I'm a creative consultant for Riverfest. So I help plan the parade lineup, and I help recruit creatives in town to be in the parade. This year, so at WSU, I'm also a lecturer in the ADC department, the Art, Design, Creative Industries department. And I teach Intro to Community and Social Practice there. And so I brought my class into the process with Riverfest. So part of what I do as a creative consultant is when different businesses in town reach out and they want help with brainstorming for their float, I go work with them and help them do that. So this year I just folded my class into that. So we went and worked with the Big Brothers Big Sisters organization, met with them, gave them some ideas, helped them, kind of troubleshoot and walk through some ideas for their parade entry, and then we planned the lineup. Let's see, in 2010, I, just as an individual artist, learned that anybody could throw a parade. You just had to get a permit from downtown. And that seemed like a fun thing to do. So I threw what was called an Art Pride Parade. I met everyone. I met this community doing that. And then Ann Kiefer started at Wichita Festivals, which is the nonprofit that runs Riverfest, in 2012, and she got a hold of me and said, do you want to come help out with the Riverfest parade? And I was like, yeah, of course I do. So that's how it all started there. Basically, the Riverfest has a process where they, have an application process, and so people apply to be in the parade. And in that, they're asked to describe what kind of entry they're going to have. Is it a float? Are they walkers? Are they bikers? Are they, what is it? Bicyclists, I should say. And then they're supposed to submit pictures or drawings. We, with the Riverfest staff, pick basically who needs help, right? Who has an idea but doesn't know how to make that happen. I usually reach out to them and help them a little bit, just brainstorm with them, find out what their resources are, find out what they could actually do, find out if they have a budget, could they hire an artist to work for them. And then with my class this semester, we went and met with the Boys and Girls Club and just brainstormed with them. It's just about one person sharing an idea and the next person kind of building on that idea. Your job in that arena is not to say no, not to come up with barriers. It's always to say yes and brainstorm how you'd make that happen.